Welcome to the next Mitchell Insurance Moment. Today, I'm going to be talking about auto insurance. There are a ton of different line items on an auto policy, and I want to make sure that you are aware of what they are, why we recommend what we recommend. The first one is liability. So this is coverage to others. So if you were to cause an accident, this is payment that goes to others. State minimums is often 25, or not often, it is 25/50. Other coverages you see, these numbers go 100/300, 250, 500. This is, the first number is per person, and then the second number is per occurrence. So if there's just one person in the vehicle versus if there's several and they're paying out for multiple things. And this number is important to protect your assets. So if you were to get sued, that number helps buffer you to protect your assets. The next one is property damage. So this one is if you were to cause an accident, they would pay out to fix that vehicle. Often people put this pretty low on their coverages. And I just wanted to highlight, we did some research. The average vehicle or new vehicle on the road today is around 47,000 to 51,000. So just keeping in mind when you're using or looking at that property damage number, we generally recommend 300 or even 500. And it's rather small to increase that number. So just, chat with us and we can walk you through the differences. The next one is medical payments. So this will be paid out to you, the policy owner. And this is the first to pay out, and it does not need any fault. So no fault needed. The insurance company will pay this out right away. And the next one, uninsured, underinsured motorist. We often get a question, why do we need this if I have health insurance? A big piece is, let's say you are injured and you're out of a job, lost wages, pain and suffering. So this is a lot more protection than just your typical health insurance, and something we definitely recommend. Another piece is there was an article that showed about 16% of people on the roads in Colorado back in 2019 were uninsured, underinsured. So this just gives you that added protection. And then the next piece are your deductibles. So you've got your comprehensive and collision deductibles. So comprehensive is things like theft or hail. Collision, if you were to hit something. These can be whatever number you feel comfortable with. So the higher you go, the lower the premium. Often older vehicles, we can consider even removing these based on what the vehicle is worth. So just something we can also look through your policy and change, see if we can save you some money there. And then glass deductibles. Each carrier has a different glass covering option. Some you can add glass deductibles, or glass coverage, and there's no deductibles. Others have something like $50. If you choose not to do this, then you would be on the hook for your other deductible you've chosen for comprehensive. And then other optional coverages, roadside assistance. So things like towing, or if you need help with your keys, if you're locked out. It could be something you can consider removing if you have something like AAA. And then we've got rental coverage. So if your car's in the shop getting fixed, insurance carriers will list like you get reimbursed $20 a day, $30 a day, $50 a day. Just something to consider when you're looking at your policy is it's really hard to find rental coverage out there for less than $50 a day. So just making sure you're taking a look at that and that you have that appropriate. Hopefully this helps you understand your auto policy a little better and the coverages and how you can adjust and make sure you're most protected. Just so you guys know, I did write a blog post on this to help go through this in more detail. So be sure to check that out and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks. Bye.